In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove white background from photo in Photoshop. So this is very simple. All you have to do is click on Ctrl A so we can select the entire image, and then on Ctrl C to copy it. Now additionally, you can also go up here where it says Edit and click on Copy, and it's gonna copy it. Now once you've done that, you want to create a new layer by clicking this plus icon down here. And once you've clicked it, you want to delete the previous two layers. And you just drag them to this trash can, and the other one as well. And then once that's done, you have to go to your bucket fill tool, so paint bucket tool. If you don't see it, you probably see the gradient tool. You just right click on it and select paint bucket tool. And then what you want to do is select the color to be black, press an OK, and then click on the image, and it should be fully blacked out. Now once that's done, you go down here where you can add on this layer mask, and you just click on this, so it's going to add a mask. And then the next step is to hold down your Alt key, so you hold down the Alt key and click on this white background. I just clicked on it, there we go. And the next step would be to paste in your image. Now you can either press Ctrl and V, or just simply go up here and click on paste. There we go, just pasted that in. And what you want to do then is go to image and then adjustments, and you press on invert. There we go, we've just inverted that. And then you simply just left mouse click on this black little square over here, click on Ctrl D, and that's it.